Hi guys, that's Luke here, Joko. Let's go over Aussie, American dollar, US dollar, because we have quite recent setups on that to talk about. Let's have a look on the big picture. On the monthly, we can see a little bit uptrend. Let's show the trend line there. Yeah, as you can clearly see, this candle there removed the supply over here. So on the monthly we are in the trend, and probably that's it, because there is nothing above that for a moment. The closest valid supply on the monthly is just over there. It's the part of the resistance itself, because you can see there was nearly a second touch over there, so that's the double confluence then. And if we go down, not much really. We still didn't hit the this monthly demand over there. Oh, actually we did, sorry, just over there. So we may expect another retest within a few months or maybe years even. If we go on the weekly, we are just recent. We have a recent reaction of the of this supply over there. Just switch into the magnet. Easier. Yeah, like that. And now I'm sure that there was an entry. Oh, there was. You see, we got the time shift. You can set up the screen which you can use the track time on all charts. So let's say when you move to the weekly and click on, you will see what will happen on the daily at the same time. So as you can see, we have a quite well, where the price was reacting. Price on the second retest and even on the first retest just bounce a bit to the pip, as you can see. So that was the valid entry on the daily supply, which was part of the weekly supply in the same moment. So by looking on the weekly, this supply hasn't been removed. So we are actually by the rules, we can tell that we are in the downtrend in the weekly. But it was quite a nice situation there. Pick different color. Yeah, that's very common. I will tell about it for a second. Let's mark out this demander. Now, so as you can see, price created that continuous demand zone and then broke it up, came back after a couple of weeks and retested. We got a little bit drawn down there, but eventually price reacted a little bit higher, and then price retested the same demand zone for the second time, and we had already kind of a traditional support just over there. So what price did? Price just retested that level again, but look, it didn't it didn't break the level, just broke a couple of pips below and reacted. So if you see that configuration, you can play that with a tighter stop. Actually, you can place the limit order there by limit and place the stop just beneath this demand zone, and then they take profit on the first strawberry. I would say there will be this small wick here, which is kind of part of resistance at the same time, so we cannot expect a huge move in that configuration. Yeah, so that was the past. What can we expect any trades in tradable zones in the nearest future? Well, we do actually. If you look on the let's start from the charts, because we are still like on the weekly. We can trade by looking on the weekly. We can still trade charts. So if we see something big different color, just let's find first untested zone. Could be right there. No, and this kind of spikes over there, so that's kind of smart, small resistance at the same time. So we can short this level there. I don't know how far it's gonna go, that's configuration. For the moment, I would say that'll be the target for the shorts. If you wanna buy, there is another nice demand there, which is part of the huge resistance over there. It will become the support now when price will retrace and retest it. So if we gonna mark it down, yeah, maybe like that. Now you can see clearly that this is the weekly zone, and we can play those in the both ways. We can look traditional for a supply, for a demand on the daily, which is gonna be the last high pre-breakout. It's gonna be this one. Yeah. But there's a big chance that price will do the first retest and bounce a little bit of this little bit resistance there. So basically we can draw the trend line here. Maybe let's start from this second. Oops. Yeah, so we can place the buy order by limit on this trend line, or we can use that as a last high pre-breakout and place the order just right 0.07712.3. So there's many different ways to play there. I'm just wondering now, I'm just gonna watch, is it gonna go a little bit further up now, or if you follow the weekly trend and will go down. So but that will be eventually, I'm expecting kind of reaction in that zone, because that's very strong, a weekly level over there. so for sure that's gonna be something there. Okay guys, thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.